YouTube learners, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. And what we are going to see in today's video? Well, in today's video, I am going to tell you few words that are most oftenly mispronounced, and these words are oftenly used by speakers who speak English. So, let's see the words. And yes, a quick reminder, if you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe. First word is, what do you call this? Pronunciation, right? And there are so many different pronunciation, but what is the correct pronunciation? It's pronunciation. Pronunciation. Let's see the next. This one, suit, right? But it's sweet. Like we say sweet. Next is this one, nuclear, or there are so many different pronunciation. But what is the correct pronunciation? Nuclear. Nuclear. Next is salmon. But what is the correct pronunciation? Salmon. So basically, L is supposed to be silent. Or you can say you don't have to speak L. Salmon. Let's see the next word in the list. Film, right? No, it's not film. Fill. Fill. As simple as that. Let's see the next word. Jewellery. Most commonly mispronounced word. So it is supposed to be jewelry. Jewelry. Let's see the next word. Cupboard. No, it's cupboard. Cupboard. Next, most commonly mispronounced. February. 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 No, February. February. Let's see the next word. Mischievous, right? But it's not mischievous, it's mischievous. Mischievous. Next is comptroller, but this is not like so. Controller. 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 So this was all about today's video. I hope you like the words and you like the video. If you like this whole session, do like, share, and subscribe. Do write me in comments. Did you find the words relevant for you? See you in next video. Bye bye.